3, 2, 1.
Is urea or salt reabsorbed faster? The answer is D, salt. Which of these cycles takes 24 hours? The answer is A, Earth rotating on its axis. What type of clothing is a poncho? The answer is D, cloak. What is the most popularly consumed vegetable worldwide? The answer is B, tomato. In cricket, what is the flat, hard object used for hitting called? The answer is B, bat-bee. What refers to the development and nourishment of an embryo within a mother's body, but not inside an egg? The answer is A, vivipary. What is the main component of milk?
The answer is C, water.
What is the literal meaning of the name of the dish pad see ew, very popular in Thailand and Laos? The answer is D, fried with soy sauce. What are secreted into the GI tract by organs of the GI tract or from a nearby gland named the pancreas? The answer is D, digestive enzymes. What action does sweat take once it forms? The answer is B, it falls. What character from the Goonies said scared Mikey? The answer is D, Bran. In 2002, a college research team built a 42-foot bridge across the Raritan River. What were the beams for the bridge made from? The answer is C, recycled polystyrene cups and milk containers. What was the last name of the title character Bob in the film What About Bob? The answer is C, Wiley. What is the largest mammal on land?
The answer is A, blue whale.
Which of these will result in the least gravitational attraction? The answer is D, 2,1G objects 8 meters apart. What is the chemical symbol of potassium? The answer is D, K. What is the name of Milla Jovovich's mother? The answer is A, Galina Jovovich. What is the unit of power in the International System C? The answer is B, watt. What is the main ingredient in ratatouille, a classic French dish? The answer is A, eggplant. Who wrote Time and the Conways, Dangerous Corner, and The Inspector Calls? The answer is D. J. The Priestley. Cancer cells take up glucose for what reason? The answer is A. Energy. Which war was fought between the United States and North Vietnam from 1964–1975? The answer is C. Korean War. What is formed when an oxygen atom picks up a pair of hydrogen ions from a solution?
The answer is C. Water.
What is the term for the process in which living things with beneficial traits produce more offspring than others do? The answer is C. Natural selection. Which vegetable belongs to the cruciferous family? The answer is C. Broccoli. The ions in ionic compounds are arranged in rigid three-dimensional patterns called what? The answer is B. Crystal lattices. What is the meaning of the national motto of Canada, A Merry Usk ad Mare? The answer is D. From sea to sea. What is the largest piece of furniture in a living room? The answer is B. Coffee table. Which device uses RFID technology for contactless payment? The answer is A. Mobile phone. Mortimer, one of the main characters in Arsenic and Old Lace, is trying to commit his brother Teddy into which mental institution? The answer is C. Happydale Sanitarium. Which of these was one of the early heroes of the American Revolution who was executed by the British? The answer is A. Nathan Hale. What is the fundamental unit of mass in physics? The answer is B. Kilogram. What is the speed of light in vacuum approx? The answer is C. 299,792 km/s. What former Vice President of the United States said the following: "We understand the importance of having bondage between the parents and their children"? The answer is A. Dan Keel. What are flagellate protozoa that cause giardiasis? The answer is A. Giardia. How do you say apple in Spanish? The answer is C. Manzana. What is the sum of all natural numbers from 1 to 10? The answer is A. 45. What is a protractor used for? The answer is B. Drawing circles. What's the highest waterfall in the world? The answer is A. Angel Falls. Which domain is used by European Union institutions? The answer is C.EU. Which whale expels a reddish-brown fluid when threatened, much like an octopus? The answer is C. Pygmy sperm whale. What is the total number of sides in a regular icosahedron? The answer is B. 20. The duduk is a traditional wind instrument of which country? The answer is B. Armenia. Which actor portrayed Nick Parker in the 1998 movie The Parent Trap, co-starring with actress Lindsay Lohan? The answer is C. Dennis Quaid. Which two body systems work together to transport oxygen to the cells? The answer is C. Respiratory and circulatory. What popular male singer did Russian tennis player and model Anna Kournikova start dating in 2001? The answer is B. Enrique Iglesias. In what shape is the Caciocavallo cheese traditionally produced? The answer is B. Teardrop. Which of the following is a characteristic of all chemical changes? The answer is D. A new material is formed. In desert cactus, thorns that protect the water held in a large, barrel-shaped stem are an example of what? The answer is B. Adaptation. What is a fiscal stimulus in economics?